Experiment 6. Aldehydes and ketones. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to differentiate between aldehydes and ketone using qualitative analysis. Part A. Brady's test. Label for test tube as ethanal, benzaldehyde, propanone. Uncone Y. Place approximately 1 ml of 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine into each test tube. Add 5 drops of ethanal, benzaldehyde, propanone. Unknown Y. Shake the test tubes. Heat the solutions in a water bath at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Observe the formation of a precipitate. If there is no precipitate, add 2 ml of distilled water. Record the observation for the reaction to occur. Part B. Felling's test. Label for test tube as ethanal, benzaldehyde, propanone. Uncone Y. Add 1 ml of ethanal, benzaldehyde, propanone. Unknown Y. Add 2 ml of Felling's solution in each test tube. Shake the test tubes. Heat the solutions in the hot bath for 15 to 20 minutes. Record the observation for the reaction to occur. Part C. Tollens test. Prepare Tollens reagent by adding 1 drop of 10% sodium hydroxide to 2 ml of 0.3 molar silver nitrate in a boiling tube. Add 5% ammonia dropwise until the precipitate dissolve. Label for test tube as ethanal, benzaldehyde, propanone. Uncone Y. Place approximately 1 ml of ethanal, benzaldehyde, propanone. Unknown Y. Add 1 ml of Tollens reagent to each tube. Allow the mixture to stand for 3 minutes. Shake the mixture gently. If there is no change, warm the mixture in a water bath at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Record the observation for the reaction to occur. Part D. Schiff's test. Label for test tube as ethanal, benzaldehyde, propanone. Uncone Y. Place approximately 1 ml of ethanal, benzaldehyde, propanone. Unknown Y. Add 1 to 3 drops of Schiff's reagent into each of the test tubes. Shake each test tube gently and note the color change. If any of the compounds do not dissolve, stopper the test tube and shake it vigorously until an emulsion is formed. Record the observation for the reaction to occur. Part E. Iodophorum test. Label for test tube as ethanal, benzaldehyde, propanone. Uncone Y. Place 10 drops of iodine in potassium iodide solution into 3 ml of distilled water in 4 boiling tubes. Add 5 drops of ethanal, benzaldehyde, propanone. Unknown Y. Shake gently. Add 10% sodium hydroxide to the boiling tube drop by drop until the color of the iodine fades. Allow it to stand for 2 to 3 minutes. If no precipitate forms, warm the boiling tube in a water bath at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. If the color of iodine disappears, add more iodine in potassium iodide solution until the color of iodine is retained. Then, reheat. Record the observation for the reaction to occur. It's done. Thank you.